This is my cockatiel. I got him a week ago. He wasn't taken care of very well due to the thing, but I thought I'd take him anyhow. And with love and time, I'm hoping that we get along. This is my first cockatiel. I want to record his progress. I hope one day to have a loving, nice cockatiel. I named him Baby, but we kind of have two names for him, Baby and Nigel, because Nigel off the whatever movie it is, where Rio. He's off Rio. So, if you guys want to learn how to, well, through me, we'll see how I do with this cockatiel. I'm hoping to have a really, really nice friend soon. At first, he wouldn't even let me go close to him at all. Like, not even as close as I'm sitting right now without hissing and trying to bite me. I leave his little cage door open when I'm home. So he does have the option, if he wants to come out. He hasn't yet. But I'm hoping one day. Are they standing on one foot? Stand on one foot. What are you standing on one foot for, baby? So I'm going to learn about cockatiels. And you can too with me if you want. These are his next door neighbors. This is Budgie and Sylvester. They're really cool birds too. But I'm really hoping to have a very nice cockatiel that'll play with me and say one day, right? And be my friend. You gonna be my friend, baby? Hey, baby, you gonna be my friend? Are we gonna have a nice life together? Hey? He's gorgeous. Well, he. I don't know if it's he or she. Supposedly 3 months. I got him from a place that says, you know, they didn't have enough time with him because they had had death in the family. So he didn't get him as much attention and time as he should have. So I'm hoping with love and patience that we'll end up being besties, right? We'll end up being besties. So this is going to be my week 1 with the cockatiel, and we'll see how it goes. I really hope he's like the cute ones that I see on other people's videos. He's getting uncomfortable, I think. Yeah, he's all got his feathers all ruffled. I gave him a little spray with water not too long ago. I'm saying him. I don't know if it's him or her. Oh, back to his food dish. Right? Hey, so we'll just call him Baby for now. Right? Say hi, baby. Oh, bye, baby. Bye, baby. So tomorrow it'll be 1 week that I have him. At least he's not hissing as much. He was really hissing at me anytime I got even close to him. Now he seems to be settling down with the hissing. Hi, Budgie. Say, Budgie. Budgie. So I hope this video ends up helping other people that buy untamed cockatiels, or that's what I hope to help. That's my video number 1. We don't have much going on. I bought him this gym thing here. I hope that he enjoys it whenever he becomes my friend. Oh, we didn't put the... That's fantastic. Okay, baby. Hi. Hi, baby. He's gorgeous, though. He's a really pretty bird. He's getting all his feathers all in a ruff because I'm close by. But, another bird bit his tail that he lived with. So, it's still not in great condition, but it will be soon. So one day our goal is to have a really, really nice cockatiel named Baby who wants to be my friend, right? And who's a nice boy or girl. Does any, in the comments, if you want to take a guess whether it's a girl or a boy, I'd like to know people's opinion.